Friends, when Mahzooz was changed his game rules and deciding the open 5 numbers, after that whenever the 36th number came in last, it was happened 2 draws in Mahzooz history when the 5 numbers was open, and now third time in previous draw the 36th number came in last. In past 2 draws you can see the one same thing was happened. After that 43 and 44. Same when 36 was came in second time. In last the same number they picked 43 and 44. Now if they will continue this routine, the 36th number has come in our previous result. According to this routine, these two numbers could be your last number 43 and 44. You can select if you like these two numbers. These are good numbers according to this routine. Another I have in Mahzooz history another thing, that is same date. First the draw was held on 3rd April 2021. The number was came 2, 9, 10, 15, 19 and 41. After that on same date in July 2021, the first number was same 2, 3, 35, 36, 40 and 47. Now our next draw, that is drawing on this same date 3rd September 2022. According to this date history, 2 numbers should come. First number in our upcoming draw, so you should select first number 2 and 2 numbers in last 43 and 44. This could be your best line if you like, and also chances to win jackpot prize. Now finally my 16 powerful numbers out of 49, including with these numbers. Friends, from 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers. Number 1 is 2, then 7 and then 9. These 3 numbers are powerful from 1 to 9. From 10 to 19 also I have 3 numbers. Number 1 is 15, 18, then 19. From 20 to 29 I have 3 numbers, 20, 23 and 29. These are the best number from 20 to 29. From 30 to 39 I have also 3 number. Number 1 is 32, then 34 and 37. In last from 40 to 49 I have 4 numbers. Number 1 is 43 and number 2 is 44. These are best numbers. Then 45 and last 47. These are best numbers from 40 to 49. These are my 16 powerful number, friends. If you like any number from it you can choose. If you don't like you can leave it. You should select your maximum numbers between 23 to 47. 3 maximum numbers should come from here. You should select 3 odd numbers and 2 even numbers. This is my overall prediction, friends. If you want to play this line, then these 2 numbers you can select from these numbers. So in the end, good luck and goodbye.